to this special session today, and this session is basically interaction with one of our AMA successful students, whom we call AMA stars, and that is Aman Patel. And Aman Patel is a serving soldier with Central India Horse, which is Ahmed Regiment, and Aman Patel has cracked his SSB for ACC 121 course. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Aman. Aman had been to AMAS about 4 5 months back after he cleared his written exam, and thereafter he actually had done his 4 week sessions in our classroom session. And after that, I think just before he went for SSB, I think he also did some online classes, if I'm not wrong. Right. So that's how his training, and after that, continuous practice with the other group members on our WhatsApp, and finally gave me the news of his success from 32 SSB on is it 19 July? Aman, am I right? Is it
17 July. 17.
17 July? 17 July.
Yes, yes.
And it was quite expected. I've always found him a very quick learner and always full of energy, full of josh, and that is something which is very much required when you go. You have to be buoyant all the time. And he had also improved a lot in his communication skills. So all these basic factors, which I call them basic factors, like your josh, your buoyancy, your communication skills, these are the basic factors which will help you improve your performance. So all these three things were there with him. And of course, then we worked on the specifics of psych and GTO and interview, and that too he picked up very well. So without taking more time of yours, I now open up the session to Aman, which I would like you to cover two things, Aman, basically.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, how did you prepare for about 4 5 months you had, especially when the COVID thing came in, you had an initial 3 months.
Yes.
So what was your line of preparation, starting from the day your written exam got over, from the day you reached SSB? What was your way you prepared? And after we finish that part, then we'll come to your SSB experience. And last, I'll give the question answers, because there are almost 6 7 students who are aspiring to be cracking SSB for ACC 122,
Yes, sir.
and others also. Because SSB is the same. Whether you are going for ACC entry or you're going for CDS or NDA, SSB contents are the same. So over to
Yes,
you,
sir.
Aman, now. Let's hear your journey after
Yes,
your
sir.
written exam was cleared.
So first of all, I would like to thank Colonel MP sir for his continuous guidance to me. When I cleared my written exam, I was a colleague named Rajkumar, and he suggested me to go to Amas Academy. And there I chose Amas Academy. I gave an admission online to Colonel MP sir in a running train at that time. And Colonel MP sir, I was unable to answer few questions, but then also Colonel MP sir, on seeing my dedication, he told me that you could come to Amas, and I joined Amas after laterwards in January. And after written exam, I continuously prepared my uh, SSB with online classes, as well as I saw the Amas various YouTube videos, as well as I prepared from my regiment officers also. And when I went in the Amas in January, there I saw that it's not a coaching academy who gives you only booklets to study. It gives you the complete all-round experience of SSB and how to handle it, whether it's GTO, IO, or psychology. And apart from it, the environment in the Amas we get is very different from the other coaching institutes. Although I didn't went any coaching institute before, but people say that Amas is much different from any other institute. So I would like to thank Colonel MP sir for this, as well as the Amas faculty for their continuous support to me. And after I took my classes from Amas, I regularly participated in the Amas group activities as well, which are run by Colonel MP sir regularly, and he also gives responses to that. So it gives extra trick of knowledge to you when you exit from the Amas, and then also you get complete guidance of SSB. It's a very unique thing that you will get from a coaching institute or mentoring institute. So I would like to thank Colonel MP sir for this especially. So, this is how I prepared for my SSB, sir.
Aman, coming to some specific things, like how did you prepare for stage one, OIR, and apart from those practices, these two things I'm sure you must have done on your own. We only made you do some practices and told you how to prepare?
Yes, sir. For stage one, sir, as you have suggested, ma'am have suggested books to us in Amas Academy. Also, we have done various practices in Amas Academy, sir, of OIR. So that gives extra knowledge, extra bit of means good thing to us. And when I went in the SSB, sir, the OIR there was a little bit easy when we as we have practiced in the Amas Academy, sir, and also in the suggested by ma'am. So this gives me extra advantage from the other students there. And apart from that, I also covered my OIR in very short period of time. People were unable to attend the all OIR, sir. But and also, as we have practiced more about 10 or 15 types of PPT practice, so it was like a practice session for me when I went when the SSB, sir. It was like I am practicing in the mass, so I didn't feel any difficulty in whether in the narration or in the discussion, sir, because I have got the whole experience in the Hamas about the pressure they create, about what they think and what they saw in you, see in you, about your personality, your speaking, your mannerism, everything, sir.
How did you handle how did you do the preparation on GK and current affairs? Because the syllabus is so vast.
Yes, sir.
So, what was your in this 3 4 months? How did you handle the preparation aspect of GK and current affairs and military
Yes,
issues?
sir. The first thing I did was you're seeing your news on regular basis, sir, which you post regularly, sir, on the Hamas website. Other than this, sir, I saw various websites such as InShorts and App, and other than this, Defense Squad for defense news, and for international news, I prefer CNN and other news channels as well. So that updates me for regular general knowledge as well as current affairs, sir. And for and for static GK, sir, I used to prefer data diary as suggested by you. I used to regularly update my data diary, sir, and that helps me a lot, sir. In the GTO, I had some quotes to speak in the when the GDO started, so it gives you a different perception in the mind of the GTO when you speak any quote, or when you give a specific data of something. So the data
So,
diary
do you have the
helped me
data
very much.
diary with you today? Are you having it? I like to see or show them to the teammates sometimes later if you don't have it right now.
No, sir, I don't have it right now, sir. i
Okay, left
i'm
it at
not
home.
in the line, sir.
Okay, right. So,
Yes, sir.
so that means continuously monitoring the news,
Yes, sir.
preparing the news, and GK. What about military topics? Did you need to take help from your unit, or you prepared on your own?
So military topics, as the brigadier service used to tell us in the Hamas, I noted down all the things which he has told us in the Hamas, as well as, sir, I used to see a very unique channel named Defense Squad, sir. It gives you a very unique knowledge of each and everything, whether it's armed forces or the military history or the new equipments that have been procured by the government, by the Indian Army or Indian Air Force or Indian Navy, sir, and the upcoming projects that are running in the country, sir, by defense organizations such as DRDO, etc., sir. So in this regard, sir, I got good knowledge about defense sectors.
So let's go over to now your SSB experience.
Yes, sir.
So, what was the feeling 2 3 days before you joined SSB? I know you are in touch. I was speaking to you. What
Yes,
was
sir.
that feeling? That can you think about that now?
Sir, I was very about my SSB, sir, because I just came from my holidays. I have been on holiday in lockdown, sir. So I feel very worried that I could not practice much TAT, VET, and especially psychology, sir. So I was very worried, and I talked to you, sir. Sir, I am very worried, and you told me, "Don't worry, you have done a lot of practice," and you motivated me on that day. And I also I regularly practice the last 2 3 days. I didn't practice anything. You told me, just don't do anything. You have done each and everything. Now be relaxed and sit behind and pull up your socks. That is your forward.
You really practice that because I always suggest last 2 3 days just relax. Only
Yes,
read
sir.
the newspaper, get the
Yes,
broad knowledge. If you're till last day reading, studying, then you can never do well in SSB.
yes,
So
sir.
that's good to know that you practice it. Okay, now let's go over to the day one. What was the kind of experience you had? You have already told us about the OIR test. Talk about the PPDT. What was the picture? How did you write? And what was the discussion? How did you handle that?
Yes, the in the first stage one, sir. Actually, We reported at 6 a.m. and the total number of candidates reported at there at 75, sir. And they took 22 out of them. And the experience, sir, I like to tell you that there you have to wear mask as well as shield and as well as gloves, sir. So the picture I got in the PPDT was a car and some person is sitting in the car and the whole crowd is surrounding the car, as well as some cameramen you can see if you see it closely, sir. So I wrote a story on arrangement of a college annual function, sir. So and I arranged some few things like he's inviting the district magistrate as well as he arranged journalists for the covering the news as well as he distributed the task among his colleagues and this in this way he arranged the college annual function, sir. And in the discussion, sir, in the narration, sir, I did a very good narrations fluently as we have practiced many a times in Amas, sir. And in the discussion, sir, our discussion didn't went too long. It's just about 1 minute. So this is how my PPT went, sir.
Okay, right. So that means you're quite confident after you wrote because you have shared that picture also with me, and I'll be in fact sharing with the class also. One of the practices will be like that. So
Yes,
at
sir.
the end of it, what do you feel is of great importance for PPDT? Do you think it is a confidence, or do you feel it is a story writing, or your narration, or all three?
So I think that all three are important on their own places, sir. First of all, practice is very important, sir, as we have practiced a lot of times of PPDT in the AMA, sir. So it gives an inbuilt confidence when you go to the SSB. You are way ahead of the people they are coming without coaching or they have done coaching on any other institute, sir. So you feel that you are a step ahead of them. And also, when I write down the PP and DT, the tactics you gave us RLP. I followed it, and
Right.
I wrote a very good story on that. And in the
Mm.
narration, sir, I was very fluent in that. And in the discussion, sir, I was unable to give any point initially, but I cope up with that later, sir. And I took my group together, sir. So it
Very
helped
nice.
me the tactics you gave in the AMAS that when you lack initially, then how you should cope up later, sir.
Right. So let's go on to Aman, to your next day must have been a psych test. How did you
Yes, sir.
handle the psych test, and how did you
Sir,
do
actually,
that?
my strike test was very easy, I think, because as we have practiced in the Amas, sir, I got 7 or 8 pictures from Amas in the psychology test. So whenever the picture is coming in front of me, I was like, ah,
Oh,
that's a very good image. Yeah, I have seen it many a times. Just write it down, story, Aman, as practice. So it
okay.
was like that, sir. And in the WAT, I didn't have any trouble because I have practiced it a lot. And in the SD and SRT, sir, SRT, I got a set in which I think around 30 to 35 SRTs were there, which I have already practiced earlier. And
Okay.
I discussed with you that. And apart
Hmm.
from it, in the SDH, I had already discussed it with you. So I
Hmm.
didn't
SD
find any
was the same.
difficulty in that.
Right. So let's come to the GTO ground, and yeah, or you had the interview before the GTO. Did you have the interview? I think
No,
yeah. You
sir.
called me in the evening
I
at
had my interview in the fourth day, sir.
fourth day. Okay. So let's go to the GTO now, starting with the GD, GP. I mean, no need to tell the topics, but tell me how did you handle the GD and GP? What was the behavior of other students? How did you cope up with that? Right. So how did you do that?
Yes, coming to the GTO, sir, our GTO started and we got first GD. And the environment was different because as we all were wearing mask shields as well as gloves, and we have to sit on on a difference of 1 meter, sir. So it gives an extra effort to tell your to tell your points to the students or your colleagues there. So when as I have prepared in the Amas about the GD, sir, I gave very good points and one after the other in a Swaha manner, sir, as you have told in the Amas, like a Havan, sir. After giving one point, I was relaxing and sit behind. People are continuously chattering and giving points, and they are making chaos there. But I didn't do that. I gave points on not regular basis after a period of interval, sir. And also, I didn't cut any other's point or show any aggressive attitude there. I supported the people who was having same lead as me, and I also added some points to that, and this way I handled my GD. And in the GP, sir, the GP I handled it in a good manner as it was like GD. So I gave a good solution as the format given by the AMAS as you, sir. And in the discussion, I gave my points relevant to the pictures to the situation, and this manner I cope up with my GP, sir. And coming to the ground, sir, in the progressive group task, sir, as the trick suggested by you to pick up the rope first, I did that, and I listened the briefing given by GTO very carefully, sir. I didn't miss a single word of the GTO get there who was giving the briefing, sir. And I was able to give good solutions to the GTO ground, sir, in the progressive group task, and in the half group task, I was able to complete the half group task on my own and took my group ahead, sir.
And after that, must have been the second day. You must have had the individual obstacles. Huh? Lecturate. How was the How was the topics you got and which topic you spoke on?
So in the
Lecturate.
lecture, I have got the topic of Indian cinema, illegal immigration, as well as CPEC, women in sports, and Indian Ocean region, and some of topic like this. Sir. So I
Right.
spoke on illegal immigration and spoke well on for 3 minutes. And because I have the data diary on, I have prepared the data diary and I have prepared various data about each and everything that is happening around the world. So I have got a good idea about what is happening in the concern of illegal immigration, as we have seen that the Rohingya crisis and the
Yeah. Yeah.
American-Mexican borders issues. Then in the
Hmm.
African countries there is a issue. Then in the
Yeah.
UAE somewhere there also. So I was able to complete my lecture in good minutes.
Right. And so I'm sure individual obstacles must have been no problem. You are a soldier and physically very fit, so that you must have anyway done more than
Yes,
10.
yes, sir. I have
How
done
was your
14.
command task? You did 14. Okay. How was your command task and how did it go? What went before the command task? How are you feeling?
Sir, I was feeling very tensed about my command task because I fell down from the individual obstacle before, and
Oh,
I was feeling some sick. I had vomiting there, sir. So I was feeling sick, sir. So the GTO gave me some time, and he called me in the last, sir, and he gave me a circular task which have three projections, sir. And in the circular task, sir, when I initially gave three ideas to him, he changed the color code, sir. Then also I gave some ideas to him. Then he called me to the another projection, sir. So I gave some good points, good ideas from that point also, projection also. Then he took me and he was pressurizing me that commander, you don't have any good knowledge about GTO ground, and what is this you are doing? You must do it earlier. You must have done this earlier, as well as he was pressurizing me and telling something to me. But I was confident and I was telling him regularly, sir, that I will do this task, sir. No problem, I will do this task. As well as he took me to the last projection also and took one or two ideas from that point also, sir. So I was able to complete my command task very easily, sir.
okay. Right. Okay, right. So that was about the GTO ground. I'm sure you must have done very well. And now let's go on to the interview part. So I think your interview held after the GTO ground was over. So
Yes, sir.
how was the experience going into the interview and who interviewed you, president, deputy president, who was the
So the deputy president interviewed me, and my interview was after the GTO on day 4, and it was a very pretty good experience, sir, because it was like formal talking between two people, sir. He was just asking questions to me and was continuously giving good answers to him, sir, and was confident all around, sir. On one or two occasions I was unable to give him answers, but then also, sir, I was happy and I told him, sir, sorry, I will get you back later, sir. And he asked me questions about my regiment, the history of my regiment, as well as the organizations of army, some current affairs questions, and about myself and my family, sir. So this is how my interview went, sir, and I was able to give good answers to him, sir. And my interview went for around 45 minutes, and it was a good experience talking to the interview officer there, sir. So in this way,
right?
sir, my interview went.
Okay. So you felt happy at the end of it that you could answer most of the questions, barring
Yes,
one
sir,
or two.
I was able to answer most of the questions, but in the some questions, sir, I was feeling uneasy at that time, sir. And I told him, sir, I'm sorry, sir, I was not aware about this thing. I will get it back to you, sir, later. So he was
Okay.
telling, okay, no, don't worry, it's not a big thing.
Okay. Right. Tell me about your conference day. How was the conference day? How did it start, and how did you go inside? What was the experience of the conference?
So, as the format given by Amas, how you should enter in the conference and what they can ask to you, they could ask to you. So it was means practice to me, and my chess number was 3. As soon as chess number 2 went out, they called the ring bell, and I went inside. I greeted the president there as well as all officers there, and and then I got permission from the president to sit down. I sit down on my chair, sir, and then he asked me, how was your stay here? Then I told him that it was a very good experience here in the SAP center, sir. And then he asked me that, have you felt any difficulty in wearing mask and shield and gloves for SSB? So I told him, sir, that I don't have any difficulty. All are wearing this mask, shield, and gloves. So I'm used to it now. And I laughed at him, and he also laughed at me. Okay, and after that, he asked me that, have you heard about any other Central India Horse in the army? So I told him, sir, there is no any other regiment that is called as Central India Horse in the whole army. Sir. Then
Okay.
he tried to manipulate me with this same question again. That are you sure that there is no any Central India Horse? But I was confident at times. So I told him, sir, yes, I'm 100% sure that there is no any other regiment called Central India Horse. And then he gave me permission to exit.
Right. So that was I think, a quite a short conference. That means they must have already decided to clear
Yes.
you. So how many students cleared from your batch, Aman?
Sir, out of 22, 3 have cleared.